Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, Muhammad Hassan Abbas will show us a complete wudu with a spray bottle. If you haven't watched our previous video, which is on do and don'ts of wudu, please go and watch it. Because that video and this video will help us to do perfect, easy, neat and clean wudu.
Washing face. Washing right hand. Washing left hand. Wiping head. Wiping right foot. Wiping left foot.
If you are in an airplane or school or at any place where you can't go to the washroom, using a spray bottle is the easiest method to do wudu. If you want to contact with us, email address is on this screen. Khuda Hafiz, have a great day.